Our InsulTote box liners are made out of our 95% radiant heat reflective material, which helps protect your products from harsh conditions while in transit, so they arrive to your customers in ideal condition. The InsulTote box liners are a three-dimensional option that turn any box into an insulated shipper so you can ship your products safely. InsulTotes save you on space while being more cost-effective than traditional insulated shipping methods. Our standard box liners come with a 1.5-inch lip with tape to seal your product shut. As a manufacturer, we are capable of making any size you need with a 1/4-inch variance, and we have an array of stock sizes to suit your needs. Stock box liners are carried on hand in limited quantities to ship within 1 business day, and custom size lead times vary based on seasonality and other factors, but they are usually about 3 weeks on average. For more information on finding the right box liner size, be sure to hit the contact button on our website to reach out to a sales representative at packaging@insul.net.